It's easy to recognize the difference between a motivated employee and a less than motivated employee. So how do you create this culture of motivated employees? Studies show that there are three things that create motivated employees. They are 1. Feeling appreciated and recognized for what you do. 2. Feeling connected to your coworkers. And 3. Having a solid relationship with your boss or manager. That's where we come in. This is the Motivosity Homescreen. This is where you can recognize and give small cash awards to your coworkers for doing great work and stay connected to what's happening in the company. As the user, you simply click on the Appreciate Someone button. Select who you want to appreciate, add a brief comment about the appreciation, then select one of the company values that this person is demonstrating through their actions. Here on the left, you'll see that you have money that you can give. This money is provided to you each month to give away. No approvals needed. No, seriously, there's no approval needed. Employees are trusted to be a part of building a great culture. So for this appreciation, you may want to add $1 to the recognition. You click Send It, and it now appears in the Motivosity social feed for all other employees to see and comment on. You can even show off your great work to your mom if you want. We don't judge. As you receive recognition and associated Motivosity bucks, your spending amount grows too. Redemption is super easy, and the principle behind it is that you get to redeem your recognition money for what you want, not some prize that management thinks you want. To redeem, you simply click on the Store tab, pick which e-gift card you want, enter the amount you want to redeem, click Buy Now, and you receive a redemption code that can be used immediately. You can also use your spending money to donate to charitable causes that the company supports or to purchase company swag. Could it be any easier? Additionally, the recognition part of Motivosity allows you to add team or individual highlights, recognize birthdays and work anniversaries, and create and deliver company awards. Next, let's see how Motivosity addresses driver number 2 of creating a culture of motivated employees, where employees feel connected to their coworkers. We do this in several ways. Each employee has a personal profile that includes their picture, job responsibilities, a brief personal history, a list of interests, and the results of a personality test. These are viewable and searchable to other employees. What Motivosity customers have found is that this helps establish connections between coworkers and also helps them better understand how to collaborate together. Or as we like to say, a company that plays together stays together. There is also an org chart feature that visually shows how the company and teams are organized. Now let's see how Motivosity addresses the third primary driver of building a culture of motivated employees, where employees have a solid relationship with their manager. A big part of this is accomplished when managers provide regular feedback to their team members. For most companies, the attempt to accomplish this is done through annual performance reviews, which experts have deemed ineffective due to excessive length, inaccuracy, and lack of follow-through. And they're pretty boring, not to mention a mountain of paperwork. With Motivosity feedback, by clicking on the My Team tab, a manager can view their team members and visually see which of them is due to receive feedback per the schedule defined by the company. Want to give more frequent feedback to, say, a new employee? No problem. Give the feedback whenever it makes sense. The manager clicks on a team member and now has context in preparation for creating meaningful feedback. Hovering over the recognition marks allow the manager to see posted highlights and recognition received and given. The manager can also see the results of past feedback sessions. Core to the Motivosity approach is to keep the feedback simple and meaningful. Yes, you finally can have a system that everyone uses without any begging, bribing, reminding, or threatening. With Motivosity feedback, a manager provides a team member feedback in 3 areas: job results, how well is the employee doing in their job; value fit, how well does the employee exemplify the company values; and job potential, what potential does the employee have for future contribution at the company. The manager uses a 1 to 10 scale to rate the employee in each area, then adds some coaching text to encourage the team member. A couple of clicks also makes it easy for the manager to request feedback about the employee from other coworkers. That peer feedback is sent to the manager only and then can be used to help with the assessment. Another important feature is the way Motivosity feedback allows the manager to define goals for the employee, along with reviewing past goals. All of this is saved in the system and can be exported to a PDF file and shared with the employee. One more thing before we end our time together. Motivosity will give you enterprise-class insight into what's really happening with your culture. Think of what you can learn when virtually 100% of your company interacts, recognizes, connects, and sounds in on pulse surveys. And then picture yourself stunning the executive team with guru-like insight about your team. As you've seen, Motivosity is so much more than just a thank you widget. It's a comprehensive offering that will make the great company you're building even better and get you on your way to creating a culture of motivated employees.